Gcash o gift? Gcash. Hi, Roden. Lover boy, hello. Hi, Paul. Hindi kayang tumbas. Wala na yung mga friends ko dito Nag-disappear na. Hi, Mr. Longbin. ID number, hello. Good morning. Kayang tumbasan. Oh my goodness. Kahit anong salapi, kung ano ang mamag. Have a great life. Thank you. Sa ating dalawas, dalang. Malamig ng gabi, kung gumaan. Tandaan, tumbasan. Hello guys. Hi June. Hello Mr. Chips. Mr. Chip lang pala. Hi, I love dogs. Dipufu, hello. Hi Peaches. Matutuwasan. Hindi kayang tumasan. Tanong sa lapit. Ba't ganun? Parang taas. Parang layo. Hello, Wolf. Hello, Bogart. Thank you for tapping. Follow me, Bogart. My eyes is red. It's getting red. Hi, Orange. Hi, Banjo. Hello, Arbor. Huh? Hi. Hi, Jack New. Dad follow you. Thank you. I'm sleepy. Hello, Kurt. Hi, Corsonata. Can you follow back? Yeah, sure. Hello, Al. Nandiyan ka pala, Al. Hi, Oliver. Thank you. You're welcome. Nakikita. Huwag ka nang mawala. Lagi ka masaya. Hello, ID number. Thank you for top. Daddy Joker, hello. Ano ID niyo po? Ayan. Ayan na. Kayla. Yes. Ayan o. Di ba kita? Shahani, hello. Why? Why? Hello, Makan. Makan. Huwag ka nang mawala. Kailan mawala. Ngayon, dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo aalis tayo. Hello, who you? Sa tunay na mundo. Dito, hello. Can you cover your eyes like this? Eyes only. I want to give you a surprise. Okay, okay. Like this. Go. I can see anything. Is it okay? Can I open? Can I open now? What? No, Akila, why? Like this. How? Just close your eyes like this. Like that. Go. Okay? Not your face. Okay. Like this. Like this. Like this. How? Like this. Like that. How can... What are you going... What will you give me? Number two. Hello, Storm. Count until 29. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29. Finish. Is it too fast? Wow, wow. Thank you. Nag-live na. Kaya nga eh. Ano kasi ako makain eh. Is it a big surprise? Last. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,